Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Telegram download stock Gmail on settings. We will click here on settings, then we come here to settings window and we will just go down. We will click here on apps, then we come here to apps window and we will just go down here to looking for a Telegram app. We will just go down to found Telegram app in this is window and we will click here on Telegram, then we come to next window here. We will click here on force stop, then we will click here on OK, and we will click here on storage, then we come to storage window. We will click here on clear cache, then we will click here on manage storage, and we will go up. We will click here in app, then we will click here on clear local, and you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.